Hi. Have you or a loved one suffered a broken femur bone as a result of a car accident in Houston, Texas? Well, my name is attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligent driving of motorists here in the Houston, Texas area. If you've been injured in a car accident, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can call me toll-free anywhere in the great state of Texas or nationally at 1-800-688-7551. That's 1-800-688-7551. Go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. And pick up your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website, HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. Pick up your free ebook under the Resources tab. Give me a call today at 713-766-3322. And I look forward to discussing your broken femur car accident case today. As always, I hope that you and your loved ones have a blessed